I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise in the Christmas spirit. We're going to be doing this it's set to Deck the Halls. So I found a really cute version of Deck the Halls, and I've been using it in class with this exercise, and I was just like, I need to do one of these for YouTube, because I don't always make my technique exercises fit the season, but usually one at least, and this is that one. So we're going to be doing Deck the Halls, and this exercise fits the song perfectly, and I love it. So it's paradiddles, shufflediddles or shuffle step heels, and cramp rolls. So it's all about being even and staying with the song. I would say it's an intermediate tutorial for sure. All right, so let's get started. Paradiddle, 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 ball change. So each of the lines of this has the same rhythm. It's 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4 and 5E and a 6E and a 7 and an 8. That's the rhythm for every single line, but it changes what you're doing. Paradiddle, 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 ball change is the first part. So 3 paradiddles and a ball change. 1, 2, 3, ball change. And it's about that fast. It's a little quick. Paradiddle, 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 ball change. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. Good. So your left foot is free. You have cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. That cramp roll's got to be even. Step, step, heel, heel, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. Left foot, let's try that. Cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's go from the top. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change, paradiddle. Now on the cramp roll, resist the urge to go, because it's not. It's 5. It's very deliberately. Da, 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 da. It's on that. Da, 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 da. It's the quintessential. Da, 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 da. You need it. You need that cramp roll to go. Ah, you can hear it now, can you? So 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4 and 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8. Let's do that one more time, and then I will show you how all the variations change. And then we learned it, and we can do it with music. There's the summary for the rest of the video. You know what's weird? I have filmed 4 tutorials today, and I haven't seen one cat. I am kind of freaked out. Bento, not that I need the interruption, but it's kind of freaking me out. I love having at least one cat cameo in my videos. It's weird. And that means they're getting into some trouble. And if you're a cat person, you know they're getting into trouble if you haven't seen them for a few hours. Or they're asleep on the couch. All right, paradiddle, 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 ball change, cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. One more time, and then we'll go through the variations. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. Good, your right foot is free again. Shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, ball change, cramp roll, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. So now you do exactly the same thing, except instead of paradiddles, it's shuffle step heels or shufflediddles or quadruples, whatever you call them. So it's 1, 2, 3, ball change, cramp roll, shufflediddle, step. Okay? So you just replace the paradiddles with shufflediddles. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change, cramp roll, so make sure that you put emphasis on those heels, because those are the easiest ones, because with shufflediddles, our weight's so far forward, we tend to just kind of put it down. Make sure you give it some weight, give it some sound. All right, first part and second part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change, cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle. Last 2 parts are exactly the same as what you just did. Paradiddles, then shufflediddles. But instead of a regular cramp roll, you change it to a reverse cramp roll. It's the only thing that's different. So the first one's going to go 1, 2, 3, ball change, ding, 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 there's the real challenge right there, is keeping that even. It's all about having your weight evenly distributed right here, okay? So let's try that. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, reverse cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. Good. Now the shufflediddle version. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change. Awesome. Okay, let's try the whole thing. So it's paradiddles, regular cramp roll, shufflediddles, regular cramp roll, paradiddles, reverse cramp roll, shufflediddles, reverse cramp roll. Cool? We got this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, ball change, cramp roll, paradiddle, paradiddle, step. 1, 2, 3, ball change, cramp roll, shufflediddle, step. 1, 2, 3, ball change. 1, 2, 3, ball change. I concentrated so hard because I was like, don't mess this up, don't mess this up. So, I mean, you can mess up, you're just learning it, it's okay. But I can't mess up because I need to show it to you. So, all right, let's try it with music. I hope you like the version of the song, it's super cute. And yeah, have some fun. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, I hope your students enjoy this one because I have like a big grin on my face just because it was just so fun to do. All right, one more time. If you're not a teacher and you're just learning this for fun, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I just did. All right, last time, make it fun. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you guys really enjoyed learning this tutorial or learning this combination in this tutorial. I have a lot of fun making up dances to like Halloween music or like Christmas music and Hanukkah music. I have so much fun. If you're looking for another Christmas technique exercise, I've got one to White Winter Hymnal, and I've got one to We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and I've got one to Jingle Bells. If you're looking for a Hanukkah one, I've got a rhythm turn exercise to dreidel, to the dreidel song, which is super, super cool because then you can like teach your students about how to spin the dreidel because you are spinning like a dreidel, which is like super cool, and I'm Jewish, so that makes me like extra happy. So, but yeah, I've got tons of technique exercises that fit a holiday theme, so if that's what you're looking for, cool. If you're looking for something that's more like a choreography tutorial, if you're a teacher, if you're a student and you just want to learn something, I've got a whole playlist of holiday tutorials. I've got everything from Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You, all the way to like, what's that song? I just lost every holiday song in the world. Mistletoe by Justin Bieber is what I was trying to think of. I've also got Hanukkah Oh Hanukkah if you're looking for one of those. But yeah, if I also take requests. It takes me a while to get to them, but I do take requests too. If you have a holiday song that you want me to get to next year, let me know and I will put it on my list. But yeah, hopefully you really, really enjoyed this. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this, like I told you about, and not just for the holidays. I've got tons of them throughout the year that have nothing to do with any specific day of the year. Very convenient. So yeah, technique exercises. We have step tutorials where you can just learn a step. I have one literally on Paradiddles. I've got one on just on cramp rolls, all the way up to like wings and pullbacks and stuff. So tons of step tutorials. We've also got choreography tutorials, like I said, where you can learn a dance to everything from All I Want for Christmas Is You to I think Love by Michael Bublé, or some Green Day. I think we've done a Green Day song at some point. I know we've done like a Nickelback song. I know we've done some musical theater songs. So tons of stuff. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel because it's all free and it's all for you, whether you're a teacher, a student, or you just love tap dance and you haven't tried it yet, but you love to watch it and maybe mentally learn it. This channel is for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit the thumbs up because that's how YouTube knows people like tap dance and we want them to know that. Cool. So subscribe, thumbs up, have a happy holiday season, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.